Let us today start a new topic, specifications, a detailed description of the quality of materials and workmanship required to complete an engineering project in accordance with its drawings and details is known as the specifications. So here we see a specification gives the details and drawings done by the engineers and the number of laborers needed for the particular work. It also mentions the quality of materials. A specification along with the drawings including the schedules form the part of the contract documents that translate the client's requirements into the eventual building or construction. So, the specifications basically includes the drawings and the particular schedule present in the contract, and the specification converts the client's needs into his own way of construction. Definitions. There are a number of definitions of the term specifications. Two of them are a detailed description prepared by a consultant engineer or architect to tell the contractor everything about workmanship which cannot be shown on the drawings. So, a detailed description which a consultant engineer prepares or which an architect prepares, and these descriptions are told to the contractor about the total number of labors and are not mentioned in the drawing. Second, the document that prescribes the requirements with which the product or service has to conform. So, the document having the requirements of the product or the service has to be conformed. The specifications shows the following details: type and quality of materials. So, the most important thing the specification shows is the type of materials used in the construction and the quality of the materials. Method of preparation of an item. It shows how an item is being prepared through various processes involved in the manufacturing. Quality of workmanship. It shows what type of persons are working in the particular work, whether the persons are skilled or not. Method of measurement of an item. The specification specifies how an item is to be measured. It may be on the basis of weight or volume. Other details related to the item. Here, the specification also notifies about the extra information related to the particular item. Types of specifications. The specifications are broadly categorized into two types. General specifications. These are the specifications that covers requirements for two or more classes, grades, materials, services, styles, or types of goods or services. It also draws the outline of nature and class of work. Next comes detailed specifications. These specifications tells about the qualities, quantities, and proportion of materials and the method of preparation and execution for a particular item of work in a project. Here, the same order, sequence as the work is to be carried out is to be maintained. Importance of specifications. Sometimes it is not possible to furnish the information on the drawings regarding the quality of materials to be used and the quality of workmanship to be achieved during construction due to shortage of space. So, if the space is short, it is not possible to record all the informations of the drawings regarding the type of materials used in the construction work and the type of laborers working, whether they are skilled or not. So, the specifications provide some useful data in a separate document. The drawings and specifications form two important contract documents. So we see here that drawings and specifications are very much important documents in a contract. In case of discrepancy between the drawings and specifications, the provisions of the specifications are given more legal strength and shall govern. So here, between the drawings and the specifications, the first priority importance is given on the specifications. The rates of items depend on the specifications. So we see here the rates of the items also depends on the specifications. If the specifications are rigid and demands for superior quality, so for a particular period, if the specifications demands for a good quality of work, then at that time the rate of the particular item will definitely increase or decrease. Specifications are necessary during supervising the work. So during the particular work under supervision, the supervisor shall always check all the details about the particular work. The specifications of items are required by contractor to fill the rates of items in the tender document. So in order to fill the tender document, the items under specified which are implemented in the particular work needs to be filled up by the contractor according to the rates of the particular items. Purposes of specifications: to describe the quality of different materials required for construction work. So it describes the type of materials used in the construction. It enables the department, engineers, architect and contractor to define, procure and check the materials quality as per specifications. So before executing the work, the engineers, the head of the departments, the architects and the contractor needs to clarify clearly the quality of the materials used and will be used during the particular item of work in the construction. To specify the quality of workmanship and method of doing the same. So here one of the most important thing during the purpose of specification is that the quality of the laborers is to be verified, whether the laborers are able to do the work or not. That means whether the laborers are skilled or not. Specifications are required to clarify the drawings. So if there is any mistake in the drawings, the specification should be required to clarify all the doubts in the drawings and rectify the mistakes and make the drawing a perfect one to execute the particular work. Specifications are helpful to the contractor in filling the rates of various items in the tender. So once again, it is being noted that the specifications helps the contractor to fill the rates of different items of the work used in the construction in the tender. Specifications of a work serves as a guide to the supervisor staff of the owner as well as the contractor to execute the work to their satisfaction. So once again we see here that the specifications of the work helps the supervisor, the owner or the contractor to perform the particular work in the construction according to their own way. Specifications are necessary to verify and check the strength of materials for the work. So it helps to detect whether all the materials used in the construction are good or not, the quality are good or not. Specification is an essential contract document and is required for arbitration, dispute between the contractor and owner, and the court cases. So it is also one of the most important points of the specification. Specification is necessary to specify the equipments, tools and plans to be engaged for a work, and thus enables to procure them beforehand. So specifications also mentors all the different types of equipments, tools and plans which are to be used in the construction work and to procure them beforehand.